In this video, you'll see how easy it is to utilize a barcode reader on our Magestore POS. For this video, we are using a USB-connected barcode reader, however a Bluetooth scanner will work the same way. Our POS works with most USB and Bluetooth connected barcode readers, including common brands like Datalogic, Zebra and Socket. Once you connect it and set up your barcode scanner, you can start using it on your POS. Magestore POS uses the barcode information set up in your Magento backend. Once your products contain the barcode information, you can simply scan the items on the POS screen to put them directly into the shopping cart. In case your barcode reader can't read a barcode, you can also type the barcode manually into the search field. After you have put all products into the cart, you can continue to the checkout screen. In case you're selling physical gift cards, you can add them by scanning their code as well. We're now ready to check out and complete the order. In case you need to bring up an old order, you can utilize the barcodes printed on the receipts. Let's say you have a customer who wants to return an item she purchased a few days ago. Just go to the order history and scan the barcode printed on the receipt. The order pops right up and you can process the refund much faster. Using a barcode reader saves you a lot of time and manual work. With it, you can scan products, gift cards, receipts and more, so you can help your customers quicker and more efficiently. Please talk directly with our business consultants to know if your barcode reader works with our POS and if you have any additional questions. Thanks for watching.